Hey neighbors, my name is Eddy and I own Wammack's Garage Door Repair. We proudly serve Columbus, Ohio and the surrounding areas as a local and family-owned business. We have a pretty cool piece of technology that I feel like you're really gonna like, okay? It's called the 87504 and I'm gonna show it to you in just a second. If you haven't heard about these yet, this might just change your life. So guys, this is an 87504 that we just installed for a nice customer. Check this thing out. It has a camera right there. It comes with 2 remotes, a keypad, battery backup unit. It's a DC drive and it has a really cool quiet belt drive if you can't see that. On the other side, you actually have your battery backup. You can see the battery bar right there. It can tell you when it's charged and when it's not. We just installed this unit, so it's about halfway charged right now. Inside here, you have a light bar that's basically all LEDs that are never gonna go out, so no more changing light bulbs. Let's get back to this camera feature. This is pretty cool. So you can open it even further, or you can close it all the way if you wanted to. So you can actually see that it's gonna be pointing directly at who's coming into your garage. So if somebody wants to steal something from your house, or let's say one of your kiddos comes home from the school bus, you'll actually get a notification and you can see that your child's safe and at home. So some of the coolest things you can do with it is it has My2 technology, just as it says right on this pull down strip right here. This is your emergency release, and you can download the app and actually use the actual camera that you're gonna be able to see from your phone. I'll just show you in a second. My2 app, you can click just like our customer did, so you can see who is entering or exiting your garage door. If you would like to open or close, it's just easy as a click of a button inside your My2 app. Also, if you're an Amazon Prime member, use the My2 app and Amazon Prime together to have your Amazon packages delivered inside your garage. You want this technology in your house, the LiftMaster 87504, make sure to give Wammack's Garage Door a call and we'll get you a great deal.